A very good morning, dear students. How are you all? So, today we are going to start with a new topic, that is perfect tenses. So, now I am going to tell you about perfect tenses. These are of three kinds: present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. Perfect tense is basically the shows the action already completed or completely done in the past. These tenses are also called simple perfect tenses. So we call these tenses as simple perfect tenses because they are easy to identify, as the verb phrase consists of has, have, or had as helping verbs with the verb in the past participle form. So I have explained you already in the class as well that they deal with has, have, and had helping verbs and with the verb in past participle form: has, finished, had, forgotten. These verbs will be used. Now simple perfect tenses, basically they are divided into three forms, that are present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Now present perfect tense talk about an action that was completed at an unspecified or indefinite time in the past, when the time is not specified and it is indefinite. For example, has or have plus past participle form of the verb. This is the rule for present perfect tense. Either you will use has or have plus past participle. I have seen this movie earlier. So with we will use have. Now past perfect tenses, they talk about an action that took place in the past before a specific point of time or another past action. So it took in the past before a specific point of time. It is had plus past participle form of the verb. You need to remember that in all perfect tenses, past participle form is used. I had seen this movie before it was released in India. Now future perfect tenses talk about an action that will occur in the future before a certain point of time or another action in the future. You need to remember this action will occur in the future before a certain point of time. For example, the rule is will, have plus past participle form of the verb. You need to remember that with all the perfect tenses, past participle form will be used. I will have seen this movie by the time it is released in India. So now you need to remember that perfect tenses are used with helping verbs has, have, and had, and the past participle form of the verbs. And there are three kinds of perfect tenses: present, past, and future. So I hope the concept is clear to you. Bye all of you. Take care and do join the online class to clear all your queries.